Hello, it's been a while. Life's been not great, health is a bit poor, so not much time to play with my vacuum cleaner collection. All I've managed to do so far is prove that one of the old small juniors does in fact still break belts. So that was a waste of a belt. Anyways, in front of you can see the bin products of my Hoover Blaze, and from the looks of it, it was mainly carrying smashed cereal and some dog hair. This will be the first of 2 or 3 mess tests. I'm using my Hoover Turbolite, which is really fun to use, and we'll get to it. As you can see, it's snow ploughed what was there, so let's see, can't lift the front end up enough because the catch is broken. So give me a moment, pause you for a second. Okay, second chance for the Turbolite before it gets replaced by probably the Miele just to clean up. Right, let's go. As you can see, it done a kind of job. So what I'll do is back on pause so we can faff about and then back in for our test. Okay, now you can see the lovely mess that I've made using the bin contents of the downstairs shark. That's only half of a bin. Most of it is here, but there's also some dog biscuits and some proper muck that came off my boots. So let's see how the Miele copes with this. I was going to show it with this pet brush, but for whatever reason I can't find it. I have 3 here. Oh wait, here we go. Right at the back. Okay, this isn't to add extra dirt down, it's just a quick sweep. There you go, not very exciting, but cleaned up some bits and bobs that were still there. I hope that everyone's having a good weekend. We aren't, due to some personal and family things. I'm not sure what my filming will be like for the next wee while. This is a really difficult time in the family. I filmed this more as a way to distract myself than just for producing content. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it and that you're having a better weekend than we are. Take care everyone. Bye.